Hi, so this is my Behance portfolio, and for the first project, the poster project, I made mine about fast fashion and its effect on the environment. So as you'll see, it says a low price for a high cost, and that means, fast fashion is cheap, but it has a really negative effect on the environment with people buying a lot of clothing and then throwing it out. So then there was just a little fun fact. And then this was supposed to represent like a landfill, and it's made out of all different individual pieces of clothing. So for the magazine project, this was definitely my favorite. I really had a ton of fun doing it. And I had Jessica Hitch, and I really liked a lot of her work. It was really pretty. She's really good at typography and stuff. And so I went on her website and found a bunch of pictures that coordinated according to their colors and kind of used that as my color scheme for the spread. And I'm really happy with how it turned out. And I just really had so much fun doing this project. So next I have the words and letters exercise project. For my word I chose cut. So this was my first version. And then this was my second version. And this project was kind of fun, but I found it a little bit difficult towards the end to do the extra parts. So these are my finished two-word storytelling parts of the project. And then this is one of the letter examples, and then this is the other. I just inverted the colors because I couldn't really tell which I liked better, but I'm really happy with how they came out. I think I like the this one a little bit better than the black one, but I was really happy with both of them. So the identity project was kind of hard for me. I had to make a logo for a volunteer organization for troubled teenagers. So it was a little bit more complicated than I was expecting for like just a normal brand, but I made the mood board for it, and these are my collateral pieces. There was a t-shirt, a letterhead, an envelope, a van, and then a magazine advertisement. And then these were just my alternate color schemes. I really liked the yellow and green the best. And then this is the graphic standards manual with all the specifications for the logo. Even though it was like kind of difficult for me to come up with an idea, I'm really happy with how it turned out. Okay, so this is my infographic project. I also really loved doing this. I came up with the idea of doing like the Starbucks coffee drinks and what they're made of. So each section, is a coffee cup, and then if you look, it shows like the contents. So like in a macchiato, there's espresso and 2% full milk, and that's how they make it at Starbucks. So I thought it was kind of neat and could actually, teach people a little something. And then for the second page, I did a graph with all of those drinks and how much caffeine they contained. So they're shown by coffee cups as well. And then lastly is my self-promotion package. So this is my resume. It's kind of simple. I'm not a big fan of like all the crazy stuff on it. So I added a little bit of pink. It's my favorite color. And just organized it in a way that I thought was visually appealing. And then I have my cover letter as well. And I also just made a business card. And that's it for all of my projects for the semester and the Behance portfolio.